How to connect recessed lights without breaking the ceiling.
Wow, 3 meters apart.
The cable need to avoid a huge beam inside. And many other obstacles. So how do you pass a cable across the two lighting openings? Use this. Fold a measuring tape. Secure it. And attach a pipe at the end. Demo. It bends easily to avoid obstacles, yet can regain full stiffness. Great tool. Showtime. It is recommended to place a Wi-Fi camera inside the space to ensure visibility. Hold the tool and pass it through one light opening. Then carefully push it towards the other light, avoiding all obstacles inside the ceiling space. Here is the view from the other hole. The tool landed here. Advanced robotics. Success. Tie cable to the loop. From the other hole, pull the tool back to get the cable. Connect the lights. Brought to you by HumbleIdeas.com. Click subscribe on my YouTube channel.